My name is Cătălina Bălăceanu, and I am store manager in a Vodafone company in Romania. During more than 1.5 years, one of our customers constantly visits our store to see the new brand terminals. He seemed to be that time passionate about Hi-C and of course Vodafone. Thanks to our store sales representative customer delight actions, this customer, as general manager of an important public services company, decided to leave an important rival telecom network in Suceava and became branded Vodafone. Why happened this, maybe you can ask. It's not about me, it's not about only one of my colleagues, but it's about really our teamwork, let's say. And I observed this customer that he's constantly visited our store, and he decided to leave rival network, which was customer that public services company, and became Vodafone branded. So due to the constant attitude focused on customer he found in our store, in June this year he signed for 120 new activations, and he finally became Vodafone customer.